Man, so guys, we're going to destroy this today. This remote control car that you can charge on the wall to give it battery, but I lost the controller, so we're going to destroy it, and I can't find it. So okay, yeah, it's a blinking light right now. We're going to destroy it. Okay, it's dead. Mine is dead. No. Wow, the guy's coming in now. ¿Carro qué?
¿Y por qué justamente le mandaría eso? ¿Por qué?
He's doing the whole freaking video, bro.
¿Eh?
The whole freaking video he's doing.
Mira cómo le metió.
Yeah, good.
Sí. ¿Por qué trocó el carro tu mamá y le hace eso? Muchacho. Mira un martillo como está, tan pingado, tan pingado.
No.
Y Brian está. Y tú no has visto el chiquitico ese, el otro como está.
Está bien.
Qué lindo está. Escucha. El loco, ¿no? Es el loco.
La perra esa.
¿Mm?
La perra.
Dale, dale, a ver. Mira cómo lo destruye. Uy. Ay, mi madre, rompiste.
Bueno, era mío ya. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna still post the video. I already destroyed it, so. Does it work? No, this is not working yet. Damn. Destroys? Yeah, no, it doesn't. It's not gonna destroy. Two videos long. I keep missing. I keep missing. I want to break. Yeah. Oh god. Uh-oh. It got stuck in the hammer. I'm sorry, guys. I had to do that. Yeah, I got stuck in my helmet. Where's the car, dude? I don't know yet, dude. Found it. Here it is. Oh, one wheel fell off at least. And I threw it. Yeah, I think can go in there. Well, you're gonna get stuck in my helmet again, right? Who is that? Hey, God, yeah. Make her ready. Cause now I wanna break, bro. Now I wanna break, trust me. Tiny ass car. Stupid car. I hate this car. I wonder why it doesn't work. Oh, well, I guess. I wonder how I lost the controller. Yeah, I can't destroy it anymore because the car does not let me destroy it anymore. The car doesn't want to die. It's already dead. Yeah, the cover's dead. Oh, I smashed that. Now it's broken. I think it's fried. And it's hot too. It's gonna explode? Let me throw this thing away before it explodes, bro. Okay, we're done with this. I guess I'm gonna throw this away. I don't have no flashlight. Oh, the light turns on. Dumbass car. Well, man, it's so hard to destroy that car, dude. Man, it's how hard it is, bro. Did not want to break. Well, I think I destroyed it already. Here's the top and the. Go bye-bye in the garbage. I guess so. Where's the other part? Oh. There's the other part down there. I guess we're done with this car. Let me just drive this piece away. Smash ass piece. Smash piece. Well guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the like, I guess.